guys!
Welcome back to the channel of
Mom, She, and Teresa.
So for tonight's video, we're going to make
for our dinner
something special because we get the inspired from the KFC, which is we're going to make KFC
garlic butter fried chicken.
Yeah, something like that.
So yun guys, ayan.
So first we're going to start with
ang gamit natin is thigh part ng chicken.
So we're going to start with the marinade section first.
So first is we are going to make we're going to
need 1 teaspoon black pepper.
Estimate nyo na lang guys, basta 1 teaspoon.
Next we have 1 teaspoon of garlic powder.
So 1 teaspoon of garlic powder.
Next,
paprika 1 teaspoon din. Then maglalagay tayo ng chili powder para may something.
May cake lang.
May cake.
1 teaspoon lang. Para hindi na siya guys overpowering ang spice niya.
So, maglalagay din tayo mamaya sa
So pag-dredge. Yeah.
Then we put
Ay pala.
3 tablespoon of cornstarch para lalong maging crispy.
Yeah.
And then
last but not the least,
fish sauce or patis. So yan yung ating pang timpla.
So yun na guys, we are done doing the marinade section and we will proceed to the veg.
Yan, i-mix muna natin ganito.
Yes, almost na.
Yan, i-mix lang natin siya. Then, i-ano natin siya ng mga 30 minutes. Then, gagawa na tayo ng ating pang-coat. Coating, ayan. Lagyan natin ng black pepper. Ayan. And, lalagay pa din tayo ng garlic powder. Estimate nyo na lang. Kaya nga siya naging honey. Garlic
butter.
Kasi may garlic, may honey, so matamis siya. Then, still, we're going to put some paprika. Oh no. Paprika. And then, maglalagay din tayo ng
Salt.
Ng a little bit salt and 1/2 teaspoon.
Chili powder.
Then, the chili powder. Hindi kaya masyado itong halong. Then, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So, yan yung ating pang-coating. Iprito na tayo. So, i-ano na natin yung...
Coat na natin yung mga fried chicken.
Guys, ilagay na natin yung ating chicken. Mix natin, baka hindi na yung ibang salt. So, yan, chicken. So, yan na guys. Ganito na siya.
I-shake natin siya guys para mahulog ng excess flour.
Yan. So, next. Okay, next.
So mukhang guys mahaba to, so we'll be right back na lang. So guys, we're done coating the chicken. So let's go fry this chicken. We'll be right back. Guys, we just put the oil in the pan and then we'll wait to see if the oil is heating up and then we're going to put the chicken.
So guys, ayan, mainit na yung ating oil. So, fry na tayo.
So yun na guys, so for this one, we're gonna do double frying guys para ma-ensure natin may crispiness pa ang chicken. The double fry natin to. So first fry pa lang to sa batch na to. And then after that, we're going to double fry it again. So yeah, we'll see you soon.
minutes later.
So, after 10 minutes, ipapay ulit natin siya. Ano?
Yeah.
And guys,
Double fry.
yes, i-double fry na natin hindi siya.
Binikas po kayo.
Pang dalawang fry na namin yan, so talagang crispy siya.
At kaya guys, kapag ano na siya sa sauce, di siya maglalambot.
Yes, kahit ilagay na doon sa sauce ng ating honey, garlic,
Garlic
butter.
butter.
So yun guys, gagawa na kami ng sauce.
Let's go!
Ito na natin yung butter. Guys, lagay na tayo ng butter. 3/4 lang ang ilalagay natin. Kasi ang dami naman pag masyado pag sa mga.
Okay na guys.
Yung mga lagay ko. So guys, lalagyan natin ng 8 cloves na garlic.
Chop.
Para lalong mas mabangong mabango.
Oh guys, para mas mabango.
So maglalagay na tayo ng 2 teaspoon and 2 tablespoon of sugar. Natin yung 3 tablespoon of honey. So, honey bee. Lagyan natin 2 tablespoon.
Tapos halo-haloin na natin siya guys.
Natin yung ating chicken. Mainit ah. So, i-mix natin. Ay. Okay na.
Hi guys! We're about to eat KFC GARLIC BUTTER CHICKEN.
So guys, kung gusto nyo kumain ng ganito, pwede na kayong magluto ng ganito. Matitipid pa kayo. Kasi pag kumain kayo nito sa KFC, medyo mahal.
So, ang reason namin guys kung bakit nagpagawa kami itong video kasi yun na nga, para ma-experience din kung ano yung lasa yung homemade style.
Yes.
To see if it's better than the original or the homemade version.
Yeah.
Tara
So,
na.
ayan.
Ganito. Wow, look at this. Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Crunchy pa rin siya, di ba?
Crunchy!
Crunchy pa din siya guys.
Hindi nyo
Saka-
guys maririnig pero crunchy siya.
Hindi, narinig yung kay Boy, crunchy.
Sarap guys. Like what they say, crunchy on the outside and tenderness on the inside.
Guys, OMG. Sarap talaga guys. Hindi talaga kayo makakasisi. Wait lang. Ay, ano naman, kain na muna kami guys.
So yan na guys, kung bago kayo sa aming channel, huwag niyo pong kalimutang mag-like, share,
Comment, share, and subscribe.
ulitin mo anak.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell for more updates. And follow our social media account on Facebook page on Mamshi and Trisan.
Yes!
Then that's all for today, and we hope you enjoy watching this video for
Yay.
today. And
Happy weekend!
happy
guys!
weekend! TGIF.
Bye!